हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लीनियर इनक्वालिटीज़ और ये हम करेंगे विद ताबीर अकेडमी। सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे सम फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इनक्वालिटीज़। फर्स्टली, इफ़ ए इज़ लेस दैन बी एंड सी इज़ एनी रियल नंबर, फिर a plus c will be less than b plus c. इसकी एग्जांपल इज इफ दैट -3 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू -1, तो अगर हम एक रियल नंबर c ऐड कर देंगे which is 4 in this case, then -3 plus 4 will also be less than -1 plus 4. Secondly, if a is less than equal to b and c is positive, then ac will always be less than equal to bc. For example, if we have 2 is less than equal to 3, this implies that 2 into 4 will always be less than equal to 3 into 4. Then if a is less than equal to b and c is negative, then ac will always be greater than equal to bc. इसकी एग्जांपल है कि 3 is less than equal to 9. अगर हम एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर मल्टीप्लाई कर दें ऑन बोथ साइड्स, तो 3 into -2 will be greater than equal to 9 into -2. Then lastly, if a is less than equal to b and b is less than equal to c, then a will also be less than equal to c. This is also called transitivity. And an example can be that -1/2 is less than equal to 2 and 2 is less than equal to 8 by 3. So this means that -1/2 should be less than equal to 8 by 3.